Welcome to Magenest official channel. Today I'd like to introduce our Magento 2 booking and reservation extension. This extension will save a lot of your time by simplifying the scheduling process for both store owners and clients. Let's start with the configuration. On your backend, log in with your admin account, then navigate to Stores, Configuration. Scroll down to select Magenest, Booking and Reservation. In Auto Configuration, you can choose the default status of a reservation after the order was complete. You can also select an email sender to send a notification to your customer. Under the Staff and Customer Email Template configuration, you can select the email template that will be used in each of these status. These emails will help your staff and customer keep track of their schedules. You can customize these email templates at Marketing, Email Templates. Cancel Request configuration decides when the user will no longer be able to cancel their orders. For example, here we set the value to 5 days, so if a user makes a reservation at the 10th of May, then after the 5th, that reservation could no longer be cancelled. This extension enables you to change any products to reservable, but now let's go through the whole process of creating a new one. At the New Product page, fill in the required information. Here, this product should have no weight and belongs to the Booking and Reservation category. After this, scroll down and tap Magenest Booking and Reservation, then change Magenest Reservation Product to Yes. Under this Magenest Reservation configuration, if this reservation does not need staff and is a full-day one, then you need to add schedule containing a weekday, a number of slots, which is a number of reservations available in that day. If it is some hours in the day or sessions, as we normally call it, then the schedule will have the addition of time, which is the time of the session. If the reservation needs staff attendance, there are still two options, but its schedule will depend on the staff assigned to it. After this, you will have to assign schedule to your staff, but we will do that in the next part. Navigate to System or User, click on a staff below to change the information, and tap Add New User to add a new staff. In this step, you are basically creating a backend account for your staff. Input staff information in User Info. The username and password will be used by your staff to log in, so be sure to remember them or write them down. In the same page, go to User Role and select Reservation. Write a short description for your staff, a staff information, upload a picture, and choose staff type, which is their staff position or level of experience. You can add more staff type at Reservation Staff Price Rules. Now on Work Schedule tab, you are able to add schedule to this staff. Tap Add New Schedule, then you will be presented with these options. Again, we have two reservation options. Select a weekday, type in the product ID of the corresponding reservation, and finally start and time if you choose some hour in a day option. Please note that the setting need to match the setting of the product. Otherwise, there will be errors notification and nothing will be saved. Now your staff can check their schedule by visiting the site backend. Go to Reservation Order and search their own name. After that, they will have their to-do work in their site. Next, let's check out the Staff Price Rules. Navigate to Reservation, Staff Price Rules. Here a list of all the rules created will be presented. The rules here are the staff type. Click Add New Staff Rule to create a new one. At this page, you will only have to fill in two fields, which is the name and the money to be added with this rule. Hit Save after you are done. Here we have Anna Bryce as a newbie, so according to the rule, reservation with her present will cost $5 more. If you want to offer a discount or a raise for a period of time only, the special date price rules will do the trick. In this page, all the rules will be shown with their name, duration, the amount of money, and in the date option column, the value 2 represents a discount and 1 is a raise. Hit Add New Special Date to create a new one. Type in the rule name, set the date, choose the rule, and finally the amount of money. For recurring rules, we have reservation price rules, which does a similar function, but will automatically apply every day, week, month, years, or early purchase. In Add New Rule page, give the name to your rule, choose one of these 5 options, which has their own type of time setting. The number of days of the last option is days after a reservation is created. Select to add or subtract the amount below by raw value or percentage in rule option field. The priority value decides the calculation order of this rule. For example, we have 2 rules with priority of 1 and 2. If both requirements are met, then the rule with the priority of 1 will be applied first. Hit save when you're finished. Now let's move on to order management. At the reservation orders page, you can have a look at all the reservations from your site. Here you can click View to check out more information about the order and change their statuses by marking them. Tap Action, change reservation status, then select the status you want. With our extension, customer can make a cancel request at the front end by navigate to My Account, My Booking and Reservation, and click Request Cancel. At the backend, all these cancel requests will be stored at Reservation Cancel Request page. You can approve one cancel request by marking it and hit Action, Cancel Request. This will set the status of the reservation to cancelled and send an email to both customer and staff to notify them. Please check the description below for more information and contact our support team if you have any trouble. Go to store.magenest.com for more of our products. Thank you for trusting Magenest, and we wish you success in your business.